Hello, hello.
Finally, we get to hang out.
How are
How have you
you?
been? I'm good. పొద్దున్నుంచి we'll go Telugu and English both ways. నీకని నువ్వు తెలుసుకునిందేంటి quarantine time లో? Wow, this is something I learnt about me. And
Right now, నాకంత restlessness ఏం లేదు. You know, I just feel that we have so much to be grateful about, Laku.
అదే baby.
There are so many people, so many actors. Bombay lo help the adledu. You know, the servant room ledu. So you know that I shifted my house 10 days before the lockdown happened, and I shifted here. I have a help and I have a cook, and you know, people don't have food to eat.
Exactly.
And if with the food that we have, the house, shelter, help, you know, love, good health, and even then, if you are cribbing about the quarantine, I think there's really some introspection needed there. You know.
No, but you're being very positive about it, and it's really important to hear that because people take whatever you just said for granted. Tell me, e quarantine lo I know no fitness kuda you were able to keep it up because you go to the gym or yoga outside. Self motivation ella papa neeku shooting ledu, okay? You have no award function to go to. How do you keep that consistency for yourself?
For me, motivation is something that becomes a part of you. If you do it because you have to shoot, then that's you doing it with an agenda, not who you are. And I feel when you give it out to the universe that I am someone who deserves all of this, you know, you sort of put your discipline out there, you put your motivation out there, you put your zest for life and work out there at all points.
What gives you that zest for life? People have everything that you have. Most of the people who are on Instagram and, you know, yes, people are really suffering. India lo ekku poverty gurinche maatladtam, you know, people not having enough food gurinche maatladtam. This pandemic has made it even worse for the daily wagers, you know. I know you've been taking care of 200 people from the time the lockdown started in Delhi through your parents. You know, a lot of people have what you have and a lot more than what you have, okay?
Yeah.
But what gives you that zest? Like, yes, I want to be up because these are extraordinary times, okay? నువ్వు షూటింగ్ ఎప్పుడు వెళ్తావు నీకు నిజంగా క్లారిటీ లేదు.
You know, I read something long back. I'm forgetting ఏ book లో చదివాను. It said that are we ever thankful that the sun rises in the right direction? When we wake up in the morning, are we thankful that we open our eyes? Are we breathing? Is the sun setting? If it doesn't happen for one day, if the sun doesn't come out, the life will finish. You know, but we're not thankful about these smallest things. And it started with that for me, you know, that when all of this is right and so many more things, you know, firstly, whether it's my work, there's so many people who don't know their passion. One, I know what my passion is. Second, I'm lucky enough to be able to do what I love, you know, to not think of my job as a job. So I'm so lucky. So there's so much to be thankful about. Can I not just be dedicated? All that's asked for me is to give my 100%. How do I expect the world to give me what I want if I can't give 100% in return? That's the
Bam! That's my girl right there. Yeah, power. No, that's what I mean, you know, gratitude. Rakul nenu chala dan gurinchi maatladta untam because, you know, everybody is fighting to be on the top and everybody is, you know, you don't know who to trust, who not to trust, and then you trust some people and those people start being something else. It's just, you know, to get over that and to find gratitude in that small thing. So Rakul eppudu ade antundedi, how lucky are you this happened to you? How lucky are you? Because మనం ఎప్పుడు bigger picture చూడం. To be grateful to be waking up that morning, and you're very true, opening your eyes and breathing. If we start thanking that each thing,
there are so many billions of neurons in our body. Do we ever address thank you, everything is working, thank you, all that electrical wiring is properly plugged in, you know, thank you, my heart is pumping? We ignore, you know, humans have a tendency to take everything for granted, I feel.
No, but what you're saying, thousands of people are listening, lakhs of people are listening, Rakul. Yeah. How has your perception changed in what kind of movies you're selecting, or what is your criteria right now when you listen to your script?
I'll be very honest with you. There's a lot more that I want to do than what is right now on the table, probably. I'm not saying that I'm not satisfied, but that to get there, I will have to work through this. You know, when you start out, it's not like I can say this is exactly what I'm going to do and otherwise I won't do the rest. Yes, this is exactly what I want to do, but probably to get here, I will have to do a little bit of everything to sort of figure what works for me and what doesn't work for me. So like
Yeah, sometimes your casting in your head is different to what the director has in his head for you.
And for a larger audience to make them believe that you are suited for wide variety of roles, different kind of roles, you have to do that kind of credible work. Now, if I'm talking only of Bombay or only of Telugu, things work very.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie until now that you've done? That when you every time you look at it, it's like
Of I have done, I think Venkataji will be very special because it was first film. I loved doing Rarandoi because again it was a very sweet character. I loved Dheeran Nadigaru Mundru, my Tamil film, and then Dede Pyar De is something which really opened a lot of avenues for me in Bombay. So that's also going to be very special always.
I'll say something that you guys don't know about Rakul. I've said it before, but it's really reality, and you have to share something about me that you think people don't know. Don't go everywhere. What you can say in public forum, rascal. I'll kill you. So, Rakul, in a 365 days, she works for 540 days. Like, if you calculate if you calculate the hours, the travel, the kind of movies, Malli commercials, store openings, like, it really, I don't know, it's not humanly possible to do what you do. So that's something that most people don't know. Because, it's all glam and you look pretty and so right all the time. What's your typical day, Rakul, on a shooting day? Tell them about Harry, what time you wake up. I want chuppu motto.
Why you want? So it depends. I like to finish my workout before I go to shoot. So no matter what time, say if I've been called at 6 o'clock, there are days I wake up at 4, I wake up at 4:15. I finish that because then that part is done. And that for me is like an energy booster, So I finish that. So say on an average, I'd wake up, it's a shooting day, I'd wake up around 5 o'clock. I'll finish my workout. I'll be on set by 6:30, 7. Yeah, about 7. You start shooting by 8:30. If it's Telugu, if it's South, then I'll be shooting till 6 o'clock. By 7:30, I'll be home and, prep for the next day. Probably squeeze in some dinner with you. But now that the last 6 months I've been here in Bombay, bomb call sheets are longer. So you shoot 9 to 9. So I'll only get back home by 10:30. And by 11, I crash because I have to wake up at 5. Or maybe by 12, I crash because if I'm prepping for the next day.
So she doesn't sleep and wake up and it's a lot of work that she has to constantly put for.
But I like it. I've always wanted to do it, and like they say that choose a job you don't need a vacation from, and this is my that I don't really need a vacation from. I love to do that kind of work, and so are you. We're both fellow Librans. We love working.
Why is fitness everybody works out to look a certain way as actors? Why is fitness so important to you?
So, I was always into sports when I was a kid, and some sort of extracurricular, outdoor sport was a part of my growing.
Rakul, India kosam golf adedi. She was.
No, I played nationals. I played junior nationals, not represented India.
Sorry, represented India kadu nationals. But it's up there, dude. So nationals adedi golf lo. So that's why she Sadhguru toti akkada golf tournaments enduku veltundante because she's really, really, really good at golf. So yeah, tell me, golf. ఎప్పుడు స్పోర్ట్స్ పర్సనే కదా నువ్వు?
చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి వేరే స్పోర్ట్స్ గోల్ఫ్ 5th 6th స్టాండర్డ్ లో స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. కానీ దాని ముందు ఏదో ఇట్ వాస్ జస్ట్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ మై గ్రోయింగ్ అప్. రోజు ఏదో అవుట్డోర్ యాక్టివిటీ ఉండాలి 1-2 hours. So when I got to modeling, which was right after my school when I was 18, that changed because I would get tan, so I couldn't go out and play basketball, or I couldn't go out and play like badminton or golf. And then I had to sort of sweat that out because I was used to sweating out every day. And appudu working out start ayindi, and then it just became a part of me, and now it's not for the way I look, it's the way I feel.
Bam, it's not for the way I look, but the way I feel.
Exactly.
If anybody gets something out of this, working out is not for just the way you look, but it's mainly for the way you feel, and that's so important. Yeah. Tell us the time when you wanted to join for Miss India. You said how you had to lose weight and how your father helped you.
You remember?
Of course, it's one of my favorite stories.
So again, I was I think in college at that point, and I had started modeling, and I didn't know a lot of expensive trainers, and you can't afford them also. Let's be very honest, I couldn't afford a trainer that would charge a lakh a month.
When you're 18 or something, right?
Yeah, and at that point, I had to lose weight for the pageant, and I had about a month. And and I was selected in the top 20 girls. But to attend that, I mean to join that, I had a month. So they told me leave carbs, So I said okay, I'll leave. Like don't have fruits and don't have carbs, and I went on veggies and meat. But my dad would make sure that I go every day in the morning to the park. He would make me wear a lot of sweaters, like, jacket and sweaters, and run in that like the army training. Like you do that
Yes.
training. So he would make me do that, and with that we would do burpees. So I think my parents that way have been my biggest support. Like, for him to say, come on, I'm going to go with you at 5 a.m. We're going to do this in the morning, and in the evening you go to your gym that you're going, right? So you do your cardio in the morning, and evening you're doing your weight training. But they've always, brought whatever experience they have to us, so that we can sort of work on ourselves and
You used to say your mom used to caddy you as well when you first started golfing.
Yes. Golf's an expensive game, and if you have to practice every day with me and my brother, the caddy would be like a grand and a grand. And with dad being in the army and salary, it is expensive. I mean, all
Yeah.
the can't go to golf. So my mom wanted us to but practice every day. So she would say, I'm going to go and carry. So we used to go to the, the hitting range. And she would stand in the center and say, if you hit right or left, I'm going to hit you back. I am the flag. Now aim at me,
I know your parents are very, very conservative and they come from the army background, and it is like wake up in the morning. Being with Rakul is sometimes being like in the army only. It's time to time to time to time.
Thanks.
I know.
Saying that out loud. Anyway, I come across as way too plain and people get scared, and you've just made
She
a
is.
declaration.
She is. We are all very scared of Rakul. I am very, very scared of Rakul. Anybody who's not scared of Rakul and her timings, they are lying or they are not her friend.